Thank you so much for joining me today. I am Nate from Mindful Peace Journey. The first thing I'd like to remind you is you don't have to be perfect. And this is a guided meditation all about chasing perfectionism and dealing with social and self pressure. Let's meditate together. I invite you to first find a comfortable position. It can help to sit up on the edge of a chair, sit cross-legged on the ground, even lie down on a bed. Just be sure that you can maintain focus on my voice and maintain presence at all times. And that's all you need to do. Just rest your hands gently, breathe gently, and get comfortable. And as you bring your attention to your breath, you may notice your chest moving in and out. Just enjoy the process of feeling that energy move through you. Your breath can be your anchor. It's something you can always come back to bring you to the present moment. And the present moment reminds us that so often we get lost in thinking about the past or looking ahead to the future. But if you just enjoy each breath right now, you can let your other worries fade away into the background and just be focused right here and right now. There's nothing that you need to prove in this moment. Nothing you need to fix. Just be right here, just for a little bit. And as you comfortably sink into this state of presence, I remind you that so often we move through life carrying a sort of invisible pressure. It can be a pressure to be good enough, to do better, to be more productive, to meet some certain expectation. And even though all of these pressures can come from other people, oftentimes the strongest pressures come from within ourselves. If you notice that you feel any of that pressure now, it's probably not just in your mind. You might also feel it in your chest, in that pit of your stomach, maybe in the tightness of your body. Whenever you feel or notice these pressures, it's okay. You don't need to push away. Just notice when they arise. Bring awareness to how it feels. The pressure can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders. But you can also step back and look at that pressure without judgment. could gently say to yourself, I feel this pressure, but I don't have to carry it all right now. I feel this pressure, but I don't have to carry it all right now. Let's bring our attention back to our breath. And on the next inhale, think about kindness. And exhale. Each time releasing just a little more tension. Continuing to inhale kindness. And then release on the exhale. By remembering kindness in each breath, you can give yourself grace to be imperfect, and also the energy to continue pushing forward. Feel free to take a moment to express that kindness and grace to yourself. And now for the last part of our session today. I will say several affirmation statements. Feel free to either imagine these words or repeat them out loud and feel them deeply. We'll begin now. I give myself permission to be imperfect. I can see my challenges clearly. I will grow and learn from challenges. I show myself grace. I am enough as I am. And that is the end of the affirmation statements. Let yourself sit and breathe with these truths. Feel them deeply within your body, heart, and mind. In this moment, we're not worried about becoming something more. It's all about knowing who you already are. And so, as we finish this session today, feel free to bend your neck a bit, stretch out your arms and fingers. Remember to feel that breath energy. Know how you can keep yourself anchored in the present moment. Feel the support of the ground beneath you. Carry this gentleness of self-understanding and care with you. And know that You are loved, and you are worthy of love for yourself. I remind you once more that you don't have to be perfect. None of us can be perfect. But you can see and find your true self and find peace in that understanding. And that will bring you more focus, more determination, and more success. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Nate from Mindful Peace Journey. My voice will drop away, but the ambient music will continue for several more minutes.